Okie dokie. We have 9 left. So?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yep.
So which one is it going to be?
8.
8?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? 8? I'm just kidding. Okay, you ready? Oh! Are you changing your mind?
5.
5?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure this time?
8!
Nicholas!
8, yeah.
8?
I want 8.
Okay. You would be so nervous. Oh, God. Oh! Are you nervous? I can't look. I can't look. You cover my eye. No, don't cover my eye. Now I want to see. Okay. So. Yes! You know what that means?
Yes.
We're going to go right back to the backpack. And you know what that means?
You got 1.
That means we have another one to play with.
Yes.
Yes! You know, because we wanted to collect all these and have the whole set, but I really want to play with them all. So now these duplicates are awesome because now we get to play with it. Let's see what she looks like. Are you ready? Here she is. Wow! Oh, that was cool the way she came to life out of there, huh?
Yeah. Let's
see what she looks like on the block.
I'm going to make her walk around.
Wow. Ah, she looks great. She looks so mean, like she's supposed to, right? Oh, yeah. Wow, her crown. Look at the back, the lines at the back there.
And look, it's even glowing.
Man, look, you can see, look, like her bones, like her collarbones there, and the skull. Wow, she's great. Hey! Oh, man. So wait, let's do one more thing. Hang on, evil-lyn. We'll be back. Look at that. So this is great because now, look, we had 6 that we wanted to collect. We've got 3 of them open. We've got those same 3 still sealed to hang on to. This is great. Oh, what a great collection. Very cool. All right. We're getting there.
Yeah. Can I make you walk around in this video to show everyone again?
Mm-hmm. Yep. All right, evil-lyn. Let's go.
We're back with you. We should make a video sometime just watching them all walk around. Okay.
All right, it's evil-lyn. Go ahead. W forward.
Nice.
Here
Yes.
she is. Wow, she has a pretty good jump. I think the way they walk backwards, like they're being very careful. So if you hit this one, she'll walk instead of run. I just did it. See, now she walks. Now she runs. No, just see she's running. Now just hit that button. And now walk. That's what this one. And every time you tap it, it changes from run to walk, back and forth. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see everybody later.